and the UL ID main menu LI8. Okay, go ahead, refresh, and one more thing we need is div ID header lift h2. Okay, refresh one more time. I'm gonna open the Firebug. Very first, I'm gonna check out. Here's my h2. I'm gonna say width to 30%, with float towards the left, and the color to white. Okay, that's fine. A font size to, let's say, 30 pixels. That's too much. I mean, let's say 25 pixels. Then I'm gonna find a different kind of a style for CMS admin. Don't worry about that. I know it's looking ugly, and the logo is not supposed to be like that. Okay, refresh, and here is 30%. I'm gonna decrease it, and I believe I have to increase my header lift a bit. No, that's fine at 60. And here is my ULID main menu. I'm gonna say list style to be none. Out here I have my allies. Then I'm gonna say display inline. Okay, that's pretty fine. We can actually copy it. Here I'm gonna say display inline. Here would be list style to none. Okay, these are A, so I'm gonna say their color to white with text decoration to none, and padding to 10 pixels. Okay, and let's say font size to 12 pixels, and font weight to bold. Okay, that seems pretty fine for our anchor tags. Paste it here, and I believe we will give some margin top to our allies. So that is a margin top to 10 pixels. Float left, yeah, now it's fine. Not 10. Let's make it 2.5. Okay. So this would be our main menu, and once we will click any one of those, here we will get our sub menu. Okay. So I'm gonna paste it out here, and on the very right hand side we will need we will just want to display the name of the person who's logged in, and some kind of a custom setting icon. So back to my text editor. On the header right, I'm gonna say div ID user user function. No, okay, let it be user. Then I would be having a span class name. Let's say user is logged in right now, and I would be having a span class settings. I would be using some kind of an icon, but right now I don't have one. I will find one later. For now, let's say settings. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my CSS file. Out here, I'm gonna say ID user, then ID user class name, and the ID user class settings. Okay, back to Firefox. I'm gonna refresh the page, and it would be out somewhere here. Yep. So I'm gonna set color to white. Yep, that looks pretty fine. And I'm gonna say float towards right. Yep, out here. Okay, then I'm gonna open my span class user. I'm gonna say padding to 10 pixels. I'll increase it to 20. Our font first I'm gonna copy it, paste it out here, and I'm gonna copy this thing, but very first we need some font size to 12 pixels. Okay, and margin top to 10 pixels, decrease it to 6. Okay, that's look fine. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it here and give some padding to our settings. Let's say 10 pixels. Now it's look pretty fine. And you know that later I will get some kind of icon for our settings, don't worry. And out here we need a sub menu that I will be creating just right now. So after our header, we would be creating div ID sub header. Okay, and let's say NBSP inside it, so we can actually style it. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna go to my style sheet. Okay, ID some headers, and I'm gonna give myself a note again, and then header styles. Now here would be starting sub header styles. Okay, I'm gonna say background to a very light gray to F5, and a bottom to E8, not 3.8, E8, a height to, let's say, 70 pixels. Refresh. Here we have it. Okay, so here would be our actual dashboard, and here we would be writing, you know, our I would say sub tab. So if you will go to post, here would be, you know, create post, delete post, view all, or some kind of that functionality. Okay, so back to our index.php page, I need a div class to call for here as well, and inside it there would be a UL ID sub menu. Here would be our LI with some inquiry links that we would be creating later according to the pages. But for now, I'm going to copy everything till here. I'm going to cut it down. I'm going to write some PHP. I'm going to say include once includes slash header.php. Now we will be creating a folder first. I'm going to name it to includes, and out here I will be creating a file called header.php. I will paste everything out here, come back, refresh the page, and everything will be same for sure. Yeah, everything is same. So right now we have one global header that we can change anytime, and for these subheaders we need to have different for every page. Okay, so guys, that was a very simple layout for our, you know, admin dashboard. And out here we would be writing our here would be, you know, we would be displaying functionality according to the pages. So we will do that later. See you guys next time. Bye bye.